Hello, my dear students and teachers. Welcome to another session in Google Classroom. In this session, we will see how to answer quiz in Google Classroom. In the previous classes, we have seen how the quiz can be created using Google Forms and they can be posted to the students or they can be scheduled. And as they have been posted in my previous class, let's see how the students can answer them and how the teachers can view their work. Let's see. Yes, we are now in one of the students page, and here in the stream it appears new assignment quiz. In the classwork also it appears under particular title like here, and select the amino acids quiz Google Forms. It loads, the form loads, and fill the relevant form. Let's see. Okay, in this Google form we have filled email address and the required answered everything and then submit. After submitting, carefully watch this one. Your response is submitted successfully. Response submitted and assignment marked as done. You have to watch this one. Then only your assignment is submitted to your teacher. Then open assignment. If you want, you can open the assignment and you can see. Otherwise, you can, okay, it is asking for a Google account. Let's see. Okay, when we submitted a view assignment, then it went back to the same page. Then here click on classes, then go to your classwork. Go to your classwork and see you can see a tab here. Your work can be track your work, view your work. If you press on this one, if you select this one, quiz on amino acids today turned in, then you are sure that your quiz is submitted to your teacher. You have to ensure this. Go to your work, then you can see it is turned in. That is the student's part. Then go to our teacher's part. Look here, this is the teacher's page of Google Classroom. Go to your class. Then you can also go to your classwork. Otherwise, in the stream itself, there is a quiz on amino acids. Then you are going to students' work directly. Here, as we enrolled only three students turned in, which are who are appearing in green in color. They are turned in, and you can grade them using the form here. Okay, when you go to this form, it appears like this, and on the right corner bottom, edit this form. Go to this one. You can see the responses, questions and responses. Select responses. Then you will see summary, questions, individual. Even individual answers can be seen here. Individual FE, what he has done. Then another student, another student, another student. Like this, you can watch every student, or you can watch question wise also. What is the simplest amino acid? Who has given right answer? Who has given wrong answer? Can be seen here. Let's go to summary, and here you will see frequently missed questions. Okay, everything, all the summary you can read carefully, teachers. And here the scores were given for the students. Scores are manually, we have set the parameter that you can release the score manually. So here by selecting this one, you can release the scores, their scores. And the same scores you can also add in the grade sheet so that their grading can be done. 15, 20 and 15. Okay, we can go to grading sheet and we can grade them. Okay, based on their individual performances, based on their scores got in the quiz, we are entering them manually as the students are less in number, and this is the scorecard for 20 marks how the students have got. You can directly fill them from the Google Classroom, Google Forms, and you can fill the form in the Google Classroom. Thereby, the students can be graded for the quiz assessment. Okay, thank you for watching. We'll see in the next video. Until then, bye.